You are watching kiddotvvv.
Hey kids, let's learn about different type of sports. Come on, let's start. Tennis, tennis. Badminton, badminton. Weightlifting, weightlifting. Karate, karate. Running, running. Basketball, basketball. Saucer, saucer. Baseball, baseball. Skating, skating. Taekwondo, taekwondo. Volleyball, volleyball. Golf, golf. Skiing, skiing. Cricket, cricket. Table tennis, table tennis. Cycling, cycling. Gymnastic, gymnastic. Swimming, swimming. Skateboarding, skateboarding. Rugby, rugby. Thank you for joining. To like, share and subscribe for more.